Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I have a 2015 Mazda 3 and this is the sedan version. And I'm going to be showing you the locations of each of the identification labels on the car. And on these you will expect to find the VIN number, the paint code, the build date and also the tyre information. So we're going to start on the outside of the car. And you would notice there's actually a cutout in the windscreen there, and more often than not it actually displays your VIN number. Now strangely it's not actually on this model, but it is replicated on other areas, which I'll show you now. Go ahead and open up your passenger door fully. Just come down here and you'll see this, which is actually your compliance sticker. So it's built by Mazda Motor Corporation. It's a Mazda 3C. We've got 5 seats, and this is actually when the compliance label was put on the car, so it's July 15, and that gives us our VIN number there, which, like I say, is replicated in a few locations. So next we're going to go over the driver's side of the vehicle, and again we're going to have to open up the door fully. Just going down into the same location, we're going to see this sticker here, which actually gives us a bit more information. It does replicate that VIN number. It says that the build date was actually June 15, so the compliance sticker was put on in July, but it was built in June, and our paint code is 38P. And then looking around here, this actually tells us the size tyres on the standard wheels and the pressures they should be, depending on if you have the car with 3 people or 5 people. And lastly, the VIN number is actually stamped into the chassis underneath the floor mat. And there's this black plastic cover. You're going to flip that up, and that's actually our VIN number stamped into the chassis. So there we go, that's each of the identification labels on a 2015 Mazda 3. If you found that video helpful, please go ahead, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.